Ever felt the weight of someone else dictating your worth, deciding your paycheck? It's time we change that narrative. In a world where true freedom is building your own empire, let's talk about breaking those chains of a 9-to-5. Today, I'm diving into the real hustle, the grind that lets you call the shots, set your value, and be the master of your own financial destiny. No more waiting for a nod from the boss. It's about you, your drive, and the wealth you're about to create for yourself. Ready to take the reins and chart your own path to financial freedom? Hustle number 1. Dropshipping with a twist. Now, I hear you. Isn't dropshipping just another saturated market? True, the generic dropshipping world is crowded, but here's where we change the game. Instead of being another face in the crowd, we're going to carve out our own space. Focus on a niche market or unique products that resonate with specific audiences. It's not just about selling. It's about selling with purpose and passion. Market research isn't just some business jargon. It's your compass. It guides you to where the demand is. Platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce, they're tools, your foundation. But setting up shop isn't enough. You've got to make it shine. Now, let's talk marketing. In today's digital age, it's not just enough to have a product. You need to tell a story. Use social media to your advantage. Create engaging content. Run targeted ads and collaborate with influencers in your niche. Understand the power of SEO and email marketing. They're not just tools. They're weapons in the right hands. And remember, consistency is key. Regularly update your strategies based on feedback and analytics. Customer service, that's your secret weapon. In a world swarming with sellers, be the one who stands tall, who listens, who genuinely cares. So here's our twist. Don't just dropship. Dropship with intent, with strategy. Find that niche, that unique product, and serve it with an unmatched dedication. It's not just about what you sell, but how you make a mark selling it. Hustle number 2. Specialized online tutoring. The digital age has revolutionized education. Gone are the days when learning was confined to classrooms. Now, with a laptop and internet connection, anyone can teach or learn from anywhere. But here's the twist. The real money isn't in traditional subjects. It's in specialized skills. Ever heard of Rob Percival? Once a high school math teacher from England, Rob transitioned to online courses, launching his first web development course on Udemy. Fast forward to today, and he's generated over $5 million in revenue with courses taken by over 500,000 students. His secret? Specialization. He didn't just teach, he offered in-depth knowledge in a high-demand field. Rob branded himself, offered premium content, and priced it right. And he didn't stop there. He marketed aggressively, leveraging social media, email campaigns, and more. So, brother, if you've got a specialized skill, now's the time. Look into online tutoring, brand yourself, set your price, and market like there's no tomorrow. Remember, in this game, specialization and strategy are king. Hustle number 3. Niche subscription boxes. Brother, have you noticed how everyone's mailbox these days has a surprise waiting inside? I'm talking about subscription boxes, but not the ones everyone's talking about. I'm pointing towards those unique, neat boxes that cater to the quirkiest of interests. Think about it. While many are content with generic monthly goodies, there's a growing crowd craving for something more specialized. Imagine a box filled with gourmet teas from remote villages or rare comic books from the golden era. That's where the magic of neat subscription boxes lies. Let's take BarkBox as an example. They tapped into the love people have for their dogs. Each month, subscribers get a box filled with unique toys, all-natural treats, and chews. They didn't just create a product, they built a community of dog lovers, and their success? Over 600,000 monthly subscribers and a valuation in the hundreds of millions. But diving into this, you got to play it smart. It's not just about packing a box. It's about understanding who you're packing it for. Know your audience, brother. Dive deep into their passions, their hobbies. Once you've got that in sight, the next step is sourcing. Whether it's forming partnerships or hunting down rare items, make sure every item in that box screams quality. Your brand is your promise. It's not just a logo or a catchy name. It's the experience you're offering. And once you've set that up, it's showtime. Market your box. Make it irresistible. Use every tool at your disposal, from Instagram influencers to word of mouth. And when it comes to pricing, remember, value is key. It's not about being the cheapest. It's about offering something truly special. Hustle number 4, high-end affiliate marketing. Brother, while the world rushes towards Amazon and its affiliate pennies, let me let you in on a secret. There's a world beyond, a world where luxury reigns and commissions aren't just mere change, but hefty paychecks. Welcome to the realm of high-end affiliate marketing. You see, while the masses promote everyday items, a select few have their eyes set on the prize: luxury products and services. Think about it. Promoting a luxury watch or an exclusive vacation package. The commissions, they're not 5% of a $10 item, but 10% of $1,000 luxury. Do the math. To truly thrive in this space, you need a dedicated platform or blog, but not just any blog. It should resonate with the aura of luxury, high-quality content, impeccable design, and a user experience that mirrors the luxury you're promoting. Your content should be more than just promotional. It should educate, inspire, and invoke a sense of desire. Marketing luxury requires a different approach. It's not about casting a wide net, but precision targeting. Understand your audience, their habits, desires, and pain points. Use SEO effectively, ensuring that when someone searches for the best luxury watches, your site ranks at the top. Collaborate with influencers in the luxury space, but ensure authenticity in every partnership. And the earnings, they're monumental. But remember, brother, with great potential earnings comes great responsibility. Your audience trusts you to guide them in their luxury purchases. Don't just promote. Provide value. Be genuine, and the rewards will follow. In the world of luxury, it's not about the many, but the few. The few who trust you, and the few products that change your life. And finally, hustle number 5, crafting specialized digital products. Now, brother, let's shift gears a bit. While physical products have their charm, The digital realm is where the future lies. But I'm not talking about those dime a dozen ebooks or generic software. No, I'm talking about specialized digital products that cater to a specific audience, a niche that's hungry for something tailored just for them. Imagine this. Instead of creating another mundane photo editor, what if you designed a tool specifically for digital artists who work on fantasy landscapes? Or, instead of a generic workout app, one that's tailored for men over 40 looking to regain their youthful vigor? That's where the gold is, brother. Platforms like Gumroad or Selfie, they're not just platforms. They're your digital storefronts. But remember, it's not about putting your products out there. It's about presenting it, branding it, making it irresistible. Your pricing strategy should reflect the uniqueness of your product. If it's premium, price it as such, but ensure that the value you provide justifies the price tag. And in this age of rampant piracy, safeguard your intellectual property. Use tools, encryption, and even legal measures to ensure your hard work isn't stolen. Marketing? It's a different ballgame here. You're not just selling a product, you're selling a solution, an experience. Engage with your audience, understand their needs, and tailor your marketing strategies accordingly. SEO, targeted ads, influencer collaborations. They're all tools in your arsenal. So, brother, if you've got a unique digital idea, now's the time. Search deep, create, and let the digital realm amplify your success. Remember, in this hustle, it's not about following the herd, but leading it. Brother, as we wrap this up, remember one thing. True masculinity isn't just about strength or dominance. It's about providing, leading, and making a difference. Every hustle we've discussed is a step towards that. So, step up, carve your path, and let your actions echo your intent. To see the next best way to level up as a man, check this video here.